Dear students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome. Welcome to today's session, Bridge Course session number 4. In this session, I will discuss with you multiple choice questions for history. Chapter 1, When, Where and How. See here, question number 1. Which river's bank did the people live along in the ancient time? We know early men lived in caves, treetops. Afterwards, early men are developed. They changed their life. So they settled in the river bank of river. So here, ancient people are started their life river's bank. But which river bank started their life? Some options are there here. Ganga, Narmada, Satluj, Yamuna. The right answer is the Narmada. Second question. Art. So art is making the pictures, symbols by carving stones is called what? Some options are there here. Stone making, histology, sculpture making. Means we are taking the stones, afterwards it making the symbols, afterwards carving the pictures. Okay, see here the question is there, art. This art is making the picture and symbols by using stone. Okay, so the correct answer is there here, sculpture making. The correct answer is there here, sculpture making. And third question, the way in which a language written is called. One way is there we are using when we are writing something, we are selecting the language. Okay, whatever you write, so you write some king's rules, you write some administrations, okay, you write king's name, whatever you write, first you selecting the language. Okay, and see here the question is there here, the way in which a language is written is called. Okay, so option A cursive, option B script, option C language, option D edicts. The right answer is there here, script. And next question, Prakrit. Prakrit was a language. What is Prakrit? Prakrit was a language used by. We know Prakrit is some Gautama Buddha and Mahavira period languages. So okay, in that period when Gautama Buddha and some Vardhamana Mahavira so preached their teaching to the common people, but they don't understood the Sanskrit language, because Sanskrit language is a very high level language in that period. So Gautama Buddha and Mahavira preached to their teachings in Prakrit language and Pali language. But here question is there, Prakrit was a language used by option A common people, option B kings, option C merchants. The right answer is there here, common people. Next, fifth question, question number 5. On which river's bank were the cities developed about 2500 years ago? We know ancient people means our early mans developed their life, means changed their lives. Afterwards they settled the life in the river banks. So 2500 years ago, so they also developed in the cities. In the which river they are developed cities? Some options are there here, Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, all of these. So here right answer is there, Narmada river. Next, language. Language not used for writing many manuscript. Okay, manuscript means what? It is a handwritten. Our ancestors So written in manuscripts, the palm leaves, otherwise beech, okay, barks. So they are writing. See here, question is there here, language not used for writing by the manuscript. We know Prakrit, Sanskrit, Tamil. Okay, so these languages was previous first languages. Okay, in that period, these all languages are using. So also some scripts are written in by hand. Okay, the correct answer is there here, Hindi. Hindi is the language not used for writing many manuscripts. Next question. Language. Language not used for writing. Okay, it's completed. See here. Question number 7. Consider the statements about river Narmada and identify correct ones. So about the river Narmada, some statements are there here. So which statements is there correct is there? You search it here. Okay. See here. Option A is there here. People have lived along the banks of this river for several 100,000 years ago. We know 2500 years ago the peoples are started their life in the river Narmada. So this statement is correct. And second statement, B statement is there here. Some of the earliest people who lived here were skilled gatherers, that is people who gathered their food. They settled their life river bank of Narmada, but also that peoples are hunter gatherers. They are hunting the animals, they are searching the food. Okay, so this statement is also correct. See here, third statement now. They knew about the vast wealth of plants in the surrounding forest and collected roots, fruits and other forest produce for their food. Whatever forest is producing, okay, they are collected as a food. They also hunted the animals. So these three statements also correct statements are there about Narmada river. So the correct answer is there, all of these. The correct answer is there here, all of these. Okay, question number 8. Which city was established on the banks of Ganga? Which city was developed, means established on the bank rivers of Ganga? Okay, some cities are there here, Maghada, Vindhyas, Ujjain and Kushinagar. Okay, so one city is there, that city is Maghada city. Maghada city was established on the river bank of Ganga. Next question. The places here rice. The places here means where rice was first grown to the north of the dash. The places where rice was first grown are to the north of dash. See, some options are there here. Aravallis. Second option is that Himalayas. Third option is that Vindhyas. The right answer is Vindhyas. The Vindhyas in this place, the grown here which crop? Rice crop. It is in north. Question number 10. Jesus was founder of which religion? We know Jesus Christ. Okay, some religions are there here. Hinduism, Christianity. Okay, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism and Jainism. So these all are the religions. But here Jesus Christ, Jesus was the founder. Which religion founder he was? We know here correct answer is Christianity. Next question. Question number 11. Sun is tributary of which river? Sun is tributary of which river? The options are there here: Yamuna, Ganga, Indus. The right answer is there here, Ganga. Okay. And next question, question number 12. Dash hills are located in the northeast. So which hills? We don't know now. Okay. So dash hills are located in the northeast. Some hills are there here. Hill names are there here. See the hills. Option A, Garo Hills. Option B, Mahadeo Hills. Option C, Himalayas. And option D, Aravallis. Some Garo Hills. Correct option is there here, Garo Hills. So Garo Hills are located in the north and east part. It is the northeast part. So next question, question number 13. The place where rice was first grown lies in of dash of Vindhyas. We know the place is there, the first place that first grown in the rice, that is a Vindhyas. Okay. So which place, which direction is there the Vindhya? So options are there here: east, west, north. The right answer is there here, north. The north place Vindhya located. In that place the first grown here which crop? Rice. Question number 14. Consider the statement about Sulman and Kirtar hills to the northwest. Which one of the following is correct? The question once again, see here, some statements are there. First statement and second statement, they are given the two statements about hills. So some hills names see here, Sulman hills and Kirtar hills. These are the northwest. Okay, so which one statement is correct? See here, some of areas, first statement is there here, some of areas where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago are located here. Means first when they started the growing the crops, they started the agriculture. Okay, here in that time men and women are they began to grow the crops wheat and barley about 8,000 years, surrounding 8,000 year that. Okay, so this statement is correct. Okay, about Sulman and Kirtar hills. Second statement is there here now. Here people also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle and lived in the villages. So about around 8,000 years ago people have started the agriculture. They started growing the crops, first wheat and barley. Okay, and also they are rearing animals. Okay, like sheep, goat, cattle, because that these animals they are giving to them milk. Okay, so these two statements also correct. But in options are given here only one. First option is correct, only 2. Second option is correct, both 1 and 2. See here, correct answer is there, both 1 and 2, because 2 options also correct in the Sulman and Kirtar hills or to the northwest. Next question, question number 15. The word India comes from Indus, the Indus. The word India comes from the Indus called Sindhu. We know the names of the India. So many names are there. Sapta Sindhu, okay, Bharata Varsha. So many names are given to the India. But here question is there. The word India comes from the Indus called Sindhu. In which language? It is in Prakrit. Option A Prakrit, option B Tamil, option C Sanskrit. We know students, Sanskrit is our first language. So Sindhu is the Sanskrit language. So this word came to India, Sindhu. Okay students, here our 15 questions are completed. You write it these all 15 question and options. Okay, so today's session completed here. So next session I am continuing next class. Thank you.